Students, let us read the chapter The Strange Man's Arrival. This chapter is an extract taken from The Invisible Man by H.G. Wells, Herbert George Wells. It shows the arrival of a mysterious man at a village inn on a cold February day. We are not told here he has come from, where he has come from, and why. Stranger still are his manners and dress. He seems unwilling to talk much and is completely covered up, to the extent that even his face and ears are wrapped in bandages. Read about this strange man's arrival, and if you are captivated by this mysterious stranger, read the full novel. So, let us discuss the summary of the chapter. In early February, it was biting cold. A stranger walked from Bramblehurst station with a little black old fashioned suitcase and came to an inn named Coach and Horses. He was dog tired. On reaching on reaching, he wished to get some warmth to be given as snowflakes and settle down on his body. Mrs. Hall, the owner of the inn, found herself lucky to have a customer in winter time. He gave her some gold coins as advance for the room. The room, way cozy with burning fire, stranger always looked out of the window. Mrs. Hall offered to dry his coat, but he refused. He hid his face with a muffled and bandaged head, and he looked odd and strange in appearance. He did not prefer to get into dialogue with her. Could not see his face because his forehead above his blue glasses was covered by a white bandage. Only his pink, peaked nose was visible. Mrs. Hall thought that the guest must have met with a serious accident. He, she sympathized with him, but he spoke nothing. Aloofness on the part of the stranger was upsetting. He told her that he wanted his luggage lying at the station, brought to the inn. Mrs. Hall explained that it was a steep road down and risky. She still assured him that his luggage would be brought by tomorrow. The visitor warned Mrs. Hall that he did not want anybody coming again and again to his room to disturb him. His snub he snubs very much irritated Mrs. Hall. She kept quiet because she considered him a minting machine on her for her. During his stay till early hours, the stranger kept to his room, perhaps dozing and pacing the room for a few minutes. He was lost in himself all the time. So this is the summary of the chapter, and you must read the chapter. The Invisible Man. This novel belongs to a class of writing called science fiction stories that show us that what the progress of science can do. So the Invisible Man is about a scientist who makes himself invisible after years of research and experiment. So this is called science fiction. That's all about the chapter.